Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the speed test comparison of these two particular pen drive which I got. And this is the SanDisk Dual Drive Lux, and the other one is the Dual Drive Go, and this is the golden color variant which I have it with me, and this is the best pen drive which is available in the market. Also the plastic version is called a Dual Drive Go, guys, and the entire family of their pen drives are extremely good, especially the looks and build quality etc of this particular pen drives are quite good. But personally I like the metal one simply because it is metal, it gets cooler faster after transferring file, and both of these have the type C support which you can connect it with your type C devices. And if you see over here guys, the build quality is in par with this, except the fact that the plastic bends, but I don't think so it is going to break anytime because I've been using this for a couple of weeks and I had no issues with it. And let me just show you, if you want a best build quality, simply just go with the Dual Drive Lux, the golden one, and this is how it looks guys. And in speed comparison also I'm not expecting a huge difference, but physically both of these pen drives are equally good. Both comes with a type C support, USB 3.2, and both of these are made in Taiwan, which luckily I got it. And let me just show you some speed test comparison and you can decide for yourself whether which one to go for it. And personally my bet is on the golden pen drive guys. So I've connected this to the C drive and the D drive guys, as you can see over here. And the D drive is the Dual Drive Go, and the E is the Dual Drive Lux. So I'm going to run this particular speed test guys and show you whether it is worth going with the Dual Drive Go, or you should simply go and buy the Dual Drive Lux, the golden one, because the price difference is not much, around maybe like 150 to 200 rupees. And for that particular price guys, I feel some extent the build quality might be taking a hit. As you can see, the the read speed is 394 of the Dual Drive Go, and the Dual Drive Lux is 407, which is in my case one of the best and the fastest pen drive which is available in the market as far as I have tested. And let me just wait for the write speed also. In the meantime, by the way, SanDisk have not provided this particular pen drive for the review, and also I purchased this with my own money because I want to use this in day-to-day life and tell you. Also I'm going to do a video in the future, maybe just copying 4 GB file on every pen drive, and I'll be showing that particular test for each of the pen drives, so stay tuned also. And if you see this test which I'm running is on Crystal Dismark, and this is in peak performance mode, and this gives you like a theoretical speed guys, and the actual speed may vary, so please take this as with a grain of salt and all. And as you can see, the difference is not much, and maybe around 10 Mbps, which hardly matters. But as far as the speed is concerned, gold is the better one. And if you like this kind of videos guys, always hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates. Also you all can follow us on WhatsApp, by clicking the link in the description, or just going to creativesoft/WhatsApp. And we are also active on social media. You all can follow us at the rate creativesoft. And let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are using, and you all are thinking of upgrading your pen drive or not. In my personal case guys, SanDisk had been a trusted pen drive for me. I never had a data corruption and all, and personally I'm using the smaller pen drive, the HP ones and all, they are for something like car, but these two pen drives are just my daily go-to pen drive. So I'm copying lot of Linux files and all. So in that case, one ISO file is about like what 5.98 GB. So in that case I require very high write speed. So if you see over here, the Dual Drive Gold, Lux Gold, is having 137 Mbps write speed, whereas the speed for the Dual Drive Go is just 79.89, which is around 80 Mbps. So you can consider this as like 80 Mbps for the blue color pen drive, and the gold is having around 137 or 138 Mbps, which is in my case fantastic. So simply just go for the gold guys if you don't have any issues with it. So I don't think so the price is much difference, which is around 150 rupees. And for sale and all, I have seen a huge price cut on the gold pen drives, guys. So simply in this comparison, I would make my verdict very clear, that simply just go and get the dual drive Lux Gold. Again, let me know in the comments below which y'all are thinking, because I don't want y'all to be like biased towards certain pen drive, because in all my test cases I'm getting more around 400 mbps for the gold pen drive, guys. So in that case, y'all can simply go and get it from Amazon, because Amazon is a trusted seller. And check out the link in the description if you want to get this particular for a discounted price. I'll be linking the links of both of this pen drive to get it from Amazon. And again, the sale is coming soon, I believe, and you all can do check this out. And let me know in the comments below which other pen drive you want me to compare it with, either the dual drive Go or dual drive Lux. So, or should we do a comparison of the dual drive Lux, dual drive Gold, and the dual drive Go? If I'm getting enough hits, then definitely I'll be doing a comparison. But then the winner of this comparison is very clear, guys. It is SanDisk Dual Drive Lux Gold. And personally speaking, guys, I've been using this particular pen drive for a very long time, and I feel this is one of the best pen drives available in the market. You cannot pick something wrong, but if you are having a money constraint, then simply go with a SanDisk Dual Drive Go. And this is a 400 mbps and not the 120 mbps, guys, because there are two pen drives available in the plastic variant, and this is the higher variant, the 400 mbps one, and not the 120 mbps. So I feel I have made this statement very clear, that personally I'm a big fan of the SanDisk Dual Drive Lux Gold, because this is again going to get heated a lot, but also it cools down faster than the plastic pen drive, the blue one. And in my case, guys, I feel there is a slightly lag in the build quality of the plastic one, because maybe after 2-3 years it might break, but the gold will not. And I'm having many gold pen drives also with me. Also, I have the original dual drive Lux, which was launched in 2020. So I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please check out this also other content from our channel, subscribe and stay tuned, and let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are buying. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.